Two lines on a chart sounds simple, but these two moving averages are watched by more traders, more institutions, and more algorithms than almost any other tool in existence. And when you understand how to use them properly, they become one of the most powerful confluence tools you have. Today on PU Prime's Web Trader, I'm going to show you the 200 and the 50 smart moving averages and exactly why they matter. This is not financial advice, this is for educational purposes only. Let's get into it. So I'm on PU Prime's Web Trader and I want to show you the 250 moving averages, two of the widely followed indicators in all of trading, and for good reason, right? The moving average smooths out price action by calculating the average price over a set number of periods. The 200 moving average looks over 200 candles and plots the average. That gives you a long-term view of where price has been and acts as a major dynamic of support or resistance. The 50 moving average does the same over 50 candles, so shorter term, more reactive and more relevant for medium term moves. The reason these two specific numbers matter so much is institutional adoption, right? Banks, hedge funds, and algorithmic trading systems all reference these levels, which means when price approaches them, you have a concentration of market participants reacting at the same point. That makes the reactions at these levels more reliable than at arbitrary levels, right? The interaction between the 50 and 200 is also significant. When the 50 crosses above the 200, right, known as the golden cross, it shifts the structure towards like bullish momentum. When the 50 crosses below the death cross, it signals towards bearish momentum, right? These crossovers are not entry signals on their own, but they're powerful context for the overall bias. Price sitting above both moving averages in a bullish trend, pulling back towards the 50 or 200 as dynamic support, is a very different trading environment from price sitting below both averages and bouncing up towards them as resistance. The moving averages tell you which side of the market the probability favors. So if we're going to look at this from a practical sense, right, we're going to focus on two things. We're going to focus on the cross. So this is where the moving averages cross. So the 50, which is the blue one, came below the 200. So you got the death, and it came back up and retested the 200 SMA right here. And this would be a normal sort of entry signal that you can look for. This has a very good chance to be respected and continue lower. Price, you can see, is then trending below as price is sat below the 200 moving average, and both moving averages are the correct way around for a bearish trend. Price then continues up. We get our MA cross, so price is now bullish because both moving averages are the correct way up. So price is sat above this, so very bullish. Again, price comes below, so again we get our moving average crossover, and in a really nice instance, price retests the 200 SMA and continues lower. We are now in a bearish trend because the moving averages have said so. I want to finish this series by talking about PU Prime's copy trading feature in full detail because it's one of the most complete and transparent copy trading products available from any broker, and I think it deserves a proper explanation.
If you're serious about improving your trading results in 2026, it's time to stop relying on guesswork. Let me introduce you to SignalPeak.io, a trading signal platform built around precision and structure, not random entries. With SignalPeak, you get real-time trading signals, clearly defined entry points, take profit and stop loss levels, plus structured market analysis that actually explains the setup. There are also dedicated channels tailored to different trading styles, so you can follow what suits you best. Most importantly, everything is built around discipline and proper risk management because consistency always comes first. If you're still unsure, they offer a free trial so you can test the quality for yourself before committing. Don't chase the market. Trade with structure. Trade with confidence. Try SignalPeak.io today. Now, let's get back to the video.
Copy trading on PU Prime allows you to select a professional signal provider and have their trades automatically mirrored on your account in real time, proportional to the amount you allocate. You set the allocation, you set the copy ratio, and from that point, every trade they take appears on your account without you needing to do anything. It's a hands-off or hands-on as you want to be. You can monitor every trade as it happens or simply check your account at the end of the day. The thing that makes PU Prime's copy trading genuinely trustworthy is the depth of information available before you copy anyone. Every provider has a full public track record, not a curated highlight reel. The full record, every trade, every result, every period, right? You can see their win rate, their maximum drawdown, how long they've been active, right? Which instruments they trade, how frequently they trade, and how performances looked month on month. You can identify whether their strong stats are built over a sustained period or whether they had a great month recently and have been inconsistent before that. That level of detail protects you from making a poor decision based on surface level numbers. When you've gone through this series and you understand moving averages, market structure, fair value gaps, liquidity, and CSDs, right? You now have the knowledge to look at a signal provider's trade history and actively understand the decisions they're making, right? You can see whether they're trading with structure, whether their entries make sense, whether using fair value gaps as reference points. That understanding makes you a far better judge of who to copy and who to avoid. Copy trading and learning to trade are not mutually exclusive. They run in parallel, and PU Prime's platform is built to support both at the same time. The copy trading as feature is accessible through the PU Prime app or client portal. So browse the providers, take your time going through the track records and choose based on the full picture rather than the headline numbers. The link to PU Prime is in the description, so get in, explore the copy trading section and see what's available. 200 for the big picture, 50 for the medium term momentum, and the crossover for the shift in bias. 2 lines that tell you more than most indicators combined. Get on PU Prime and add these to your charts tonight. The link is in the description, and if you want a professional managing your account while you build your own skills, PU Prime's copy trading feature is the most transparent and detailed product out there. All the details and links are in the description below. Subscribe and I will see you in the next one.